5 News.
And taking a look outside at our local weather cams. Happy Tuesday, everyone. I wish it was much nicer outside. It's pretty doom and gloom. Not as doom and gloom as it was yesterday, though, with the rain and the growth.
That is true. It was a little rough yesterday with all the rain, but it was warmer yesterday.
It was warmer, so I guess it's something you have to balance. I would say today's an improvement over yesterday, but by the end of the week, it's probably not going to look anything like any of these cameras. It might be some white stuff coming down from the sky.
Yeah, absolutely. So we are definitely looking at some snow on Saturday, and that is just a testament on how crazy March weather can be. I mean, it has felt like spring has come early, and now we're going to be jumping right back into winter. So very, very interesting weather we've got going on here. But taking a look here at the satellite radar right now, we're starting to see these clouds really thickening up over the past couple of hours, and these are pushing off of a low pressure system to our southwest that's continuing to track northeast, and this rain is going to be entering West Virginia tonight. Pretty much around midnight we're going to start to see the first effects of that rain, and that's going to be continuing into tomorrow as well. So taking a look at our current temperatures, some of us now down into the upper 30s, Davis there at 38, Buchanan at 39, as well as Clarksburg, and others still in the low 40s there. Tomorrow morning, these low temperatures likely getting a little bit lower than what you see on your screen here in the lower elevations, likely seeing these temperatures in the mid 30s down towards the south there, probably in the upper 30s there, probably not staying in the 40s to the south there. But our high temperatures for tomorrow going to be kind of similar to today, a little bit below average, much milder in the low to mid 40s, and that's going to be accompanied by some rain, especially in the morning. So taking a look at this futurecast, we're going to continue to see these clouds thickening up tonight. We see that rain by 2 a.m. pretty much across the entire area. And these temperatures a little bit overestimated on this model here. So up here in these higher elevations, especially in Randolph County, likely seeing this rain as snow, as these temperatures are going to be a lot lower. So most of this is going to be falling as snow in the mountains, whereas for the lowlands it is going to stay as rain throughout the duration of this system. Seeing here in the lowlands here, as we go throughout the morning, it starts to break up a little bit, and again we are going to be seeing that as snow in those higher elevations. But by the time we get towards the afternoon, slowly starts to decrease from west to east for that precipitation, and by the time we get towards Wednesday night, all of that precipitation going to be cleared out, and we'll be seeing those clouds decreasing a little bit overnight, but coming right back for Thursday for a mostly cloudy day. But temperatures will be getting much more seasonable into the low 50s. Now in terms of expected rainfall for this system, pretty much about ½ an inch across the area. So not a very soaking system that's going to be bringing this rain, but we are going to be under a winter weather advisory from 1 a.m. until 10 a.m. in most of Randolph County, as well as Pocahontas County as well. So 2 to 4 inches of snow possible with this system. So if you are heading out in this area between those hours, definitely make sure you are taking some extra time on those roads. But all of us are going to be seeing snow by the time we get to Saturday. So let's take a look at this system. Taking a look at the Euro model here. So we're going to be seeing this low pressure system here. That is going to increase southerly flow for Friday. So Friday going to be an above average day, a very nice day. But overnight, this cold front is going to cross over the area, and we're going to start to see this cooler air from the northwest being dragged down, and most of that moisture is on the back end of this cold front. So once that front passes and that moisture enters our area, likely going to be seeing that all as snow, possibly heavy at times across the lowlands, indicated by those darker blues there. Now this particular model shows this snow passing to our east, mostly by the time we get towards Saturday night, just lingering in the higher elevations there and clearing out by Sunday. However, taking a look at the GFS here, we see a little bit of rain there at 4 a.m. and then as we start to see this crossing over, it's likely seeing that snow lasting a little bit longer. So still a little bit of discrepancies in these models on how this snow is going to play out. So a little too soon to call any snowfall totals yet, but taking a look at your 7-day forecast here, going to be a nice days Thursday and Friday, then very cool for the weekend with that snow coming on Saturday. And by the time we get to next week, we'll be back in the 50s.